In the previous lecture, we saw how to install Python on Windows and then how to work with Visual Studio Code Editor using Python extension on Windows. In this one, we'll be quickly taking you through Python installation on Mac and then working with Visual Studio Code Editor. So in order to install Python on Mac operating system, here you can go ahead and download the relevant version. For instance, you can click on this Mac OS X and then download the version 3.7.4. Once you have it, you can just install it like a regular package that you install on Mac operating system. And after that, you can open up Visual Studio Code Editor, and there you need to ensure that you have this Python extension installed. In order to do that, just click on the extensions button, and there you can search for the extensions in Marketplace. Search for Python from Microsoft. And once you have installed this, all you need to do is ensure that your Visual Studio Code Editor path is included in your Mac operating system environment variable. So the path environment variable that you have on your Mac operating system must contain the Visual Studio Code installation path. And to do that, I would recommend visiting this URL, code.visualstudio.com/docs/setupmac. You can see how we can launch it from the command line. Here you also find the code to manually add VS Code to your path using this command. And that's pretty much it that you need to do in your Mac operating system to work with Python. Now that we are through with that, I would like to take you through the basics of Python and how it is different from conventional programming languages like C++, Java, and all. Now over here you can see that we have created a variable, hello world. We have not defined its data type, but here it is assuming that it is going to be of type string. One more thing you would notice is that it does not end with a semicolon, just like how we used to have it in C++, C#, Java. So here you won't find that. There will be no braces or semicolons, and everything here is an object. If I put an indentation over here, it will have some meaning to it. It's not like just for making the code readable, but it will also have some other meaning to it as well. So we'll be basically covering language overview in upcoming lectures in this section.